This is the area in Donggongon known as the Clock Tower or the Sumazau Point. It is here that a local musicians calling themselves as the Moyog Songkotoun Buskers performing almost daily but especially on Sunday and public holidays.
Tại như thế bình công như trái bày dạo hầu cơn tiếng say cơn gì hoàn cho thôi ác xin chiều là lòng ly văn ban chim quân siêu bây giờ chim phan bạc thiên lòng ly hôm phát chơi giàu mê giàu ôi ninh hành lý man quan chi phong chi đại công xây bạc vạn sơn chim chim than chim chim hoa dịch này bình bốc chi trong tăng tăng.
They entertain the public with Evergreen songs, especially Kadazan songs tagged as Songkotoun Evergreen in English. Their performance normally will start very early in the morning while members of the public are taking their breakfast at the three popular restaurants within the vicinity of the clock tower. After performing from early morning to lunch hour, they will take their midday break and again resume their performance from 6 p.m. until 9 p.m.